Hello guys, hope you are fine and taking good care of your health. Welcome to this video. In this video we are solving examples mean problems of chapter number 6 or numericals of chapter number 6, and the remaining topics of chapter number 7 we solve in next lectures. But first of all we are solving examples of chapter number 6. Here we are, that we are solving short syllabus question or short syllabus problems. So first of all we are solving example 6.2, and remaining I again repeat the remaining topics of chapter number 7 we solve in next video lectures. Now example 6.2 is: a stone of mass 500 grams strikes the ground with a velocity of 20 meter per second. How much the kinetic energy of the stone at the time it strikes the ground? So first of all we write given data. In this example the given data is first of all mass is given, and you know that mass is denoted by small m. Mass is equal to small m, and that is equal to 500 gram. And you know that in 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So if you want to calculate gram, this 1000 will be divided on the left side of equal, and we get 1/1000 kilogram. Here we want to calculate gram into kilogram because the SI units of mass is kilogram, so we convert it into kilogram. To convert gram into kilogram we divide it by 1000. 20 cancel out 20, and in the last we get 0.5 kilogram. And second given data is velocity with which the stone strikes to the ground. So velocity is equal to V, that is equal to 20 meter per second. And in this question we have to find kinetic energy. So required data is, I write here required data is, you can write it by a marker. Required data is equal to kinetic energy, and we have to find it. We know that the formula of kinetic energy is that we learned in chapter kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. Now first of all I erase this data, and then I write remaining numerical. Yes. Now I again write the formula of kinetic energy, that is equal to 1/2 mv square. Now I put the simple values 1/2. Now I put the value of m. The value of m is 0.5 multiplied by v. The value of v is 20, and we have to put it square on 20. Here I get 1/2. This point cancel out, and we write 1 on the place of point, and 5. There is a 1 digit on the right side of decimal, that's why we place 10. Here 5/10 multiply 20 square is equal to 400. 0 cancel out 0, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 0. 20 multiplied by 5 is equal to 100. So this is the answer. And you know that the kinetic energy is also energy, and is the form of energy, and the unit of energy is joule. So the unit of kinetic energy is 100 joule. Now we are solving problem number 6.3 or example number 6.3. Statement of 6.3 is: a body of mass 500 kg is raised to a height of 3 meter. What is the potential energy? Now First of all, here given data is, first of all in this example given data is mass, and you can see here given data is kilogram, so we need not to convert it gram to kilogram. So here mass is equal to 50 kilogram, and height is given, height denoted by h is equal to 3 meter, and as a unit of length is also meter, that's why we do not convert it into kilometer or centimeter. Now we have to here required data is potential energy. We have to find potential energy. So first of all we write the formula by which we can find the potential energy. Formula of potential energy is formula of potential energy is equal to mgh. Now I simply put the values of m, g and h. The value of m is 50, and here g is a gravitational constant and its value is fixed, that is 10 ms minus 2, that you have to learn. Okay, g is equal to multiply by g is equal to 10, and height is equal multiply by 3. Here we get 50 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3, we get 1500 joule, and this is the answer. Sorry, here we place not just P, we place PE, potential energy, and here also we place potential energy, and this is the answer, 1500 joule. I hope you understand this, and if you have any question you can ask me. Allah Hafiz.